y'all, LanisaJamia here, and today I am bringing you a full tutorial on how I achieve this sleek braided ponytail look. If you are interested in learning how to achieve this step-by-step, beginner friendly, in my eyes it's beginner friendly. If you are interested in learning how to achieve this braided ponytail look, be sure to continue watching this video. But if you are not subscribed, be sure to subscribe to my channel, okay? We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I've had my YouTube page for a very long time and I have honestly been dragging my feet, so it's pedal to the metal time, y'all. But be sure to like this video, comment, subscribe, and share. I hope this tutorial is super easy and beginner friendly for you, and let me know what other type of tutorials you all want to see in the comment section below. Love y'all. Bye. Hey y'all, so I went ahead and washed my hair off camera, and I am about to go ahead and start straightening my hair. So when I straighten my hair, I'm only doing one pass. It's not my desire to get my hair super duper straight. In the front maybe, but in the back not so. What am I doing? In the back, not so much. So that being said, like I said, I'm just doing one pass. Well, I'm doing one pass all over the place. So for this part, you gotta be cautious because sometimes people have what they call like a what is it called, like a moving scalp or something like that. So when I part my hair, I like to just pull my hair just to kind of make sure that my part is still going to remain the same, because sometimes people have trouble parting my hair. So I've done that. I've parted my hair. So what you're gonna do is split your hair into 3 sections, and the reason being is because you want to make sure that everything is flat, and it'll be a lot easier for you to kind of put everything into the ponytail. So go ahead and comb this hair back. I got this pressing oil. I got this from my local beauty supply store. So I'm gonna use this to help me shape and mold the ponytail before I go in with the hairspray. Okay, so I just grabbed a little bit of it on the end of the comb. I didn't want to do it under my nails. And the reason being is because it makes your hair like more manageable. Like, you know how easy it is to put your hair in a ponytail when your hair is oily. Like after that fresh silk press, then this is how you want it to look. I'm gonna go in with my Gots to Be. Everybody know Gots to Be glue. Everybody know Gots to Be glue, Gots to Be spray, whatever you call it. I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer, and I'm gonna start on warm. You are going to need a lot of scrunchies because you're gonna keep, like you see how this one is coming down, and I'm about to put another one on. I'm pulling it, well, I pulled it down, so you're gonna keep like basically redoing your ponytail because you want it to be super flat and super tight. I went ahead back in with my pressing oil. I went back in with my pressing oil on this side. I'm gonna put a little bit more on it just to kind of smooth it out a little bit better, like in the inside and all that. I just want to, you know, get it as flat as possible. And I'm gonna do this pretty much the same thing. I'm gonna comb it down, brush it down, spray it down. But of course this is going behind my ear, so once you get to the front, you wanna, you know, just kind of frame out where you're gonna have your little baby hairs and things like that at. Now I ain't got baby hairs, I got edges. I got adult hairs, I ain't got no baby hairs, baby. So I'm gonna work with what I got. So I'm using this hard ass brush And as you can see, it's getting super flat. You're just gonna go in and pull it to the back. Go in and pull it to the back. Now, when you do this, you gotta be real careful to make sure that it's still flat. You're gonna take your ponytail holder or rubber band or whatever you're using, and you're gonna wrap it around this one. So basically repeat the same process. You're gonna repeat the same process on the other side as well. I'm going in with my comb, and then I'm gonna follow up with my brush to just smooth it out. But I'm going in with my comb to just get the kinks out and make sure everything is just very smooth. Very smooth, very smooth. Gotta be something different. Okay, so for my edges, I am going to do a little shank-da-dank in the front. A little swoop in the front, and then I'm gonna do 2 on the side, and then, you know, like the little swirl, the little swirl piece on the side. Okay. So in order to achieve that, especially the swirl on the side, I am going to use my small baby flat iron. I got this for like $5 or $10 at Target, you know, the little $5 section. So you're just gonna curl it, and I'm gonna curl it back. I don't feel like it really matters what direction you curl in, but I'm gonna curl it back because I do want my, yeah, I think it does matter, but I curled it back because I want my swirl to sit like that. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my edge booster. This is the maximum hold. Thick and coarse hair. And I'm gonna follow up. So you wanna kinda do it like in a C motion, if that makes sense. And in order to keep this part flat, you need to go in with your comb. Like that. And because this part didn't curl how I need it to curl, yeah, you're gonna have to curl, baby girl. But this looks really good. Like, girl, let me tell you something, they might not ever have to worry about me, because one thing about it, I'm gonna do my own hair. Don't let me learn how to do some knotless. So this is Expression by Outre, and this hair comes pre-stretched. So the initial brand that I bought obviously was not stretched, and I'm going to insert a picture if I haven't already. The initial brand that I bought was not already stretched, so I had to stretch it myself, and I didn't want to go through that. So this hair, $5, baby. Girl, you finna get you a $5 ponytail in the comfort of your own home. Baby, I'm finna save you. How much they charge for these ponytails? Like at least $100. So I'm finna save you a good $95. Okay, so the ponytail, the hair is pre-stretched, and I got it in the color 1. You can do whatever color you like, even though it's already pre-stretched. I do want to stretch it a little bit more because I love how it gets thin at the end. I love how it gets thin at the end because you don't want a bulky ponytail all the way through. So y'all see how it's super, this is too thick actually, so I might only use 2 of these instead of 3. I'm just running my fingers through because I don't want it to kink up as I am braiding. So I'm just going through, getting the kinks out. Not necessarily combing it out, but just kind of getting the kinks out. It does feel a lot better than the other hair. So if I could suggest a brand, I would definitely suggest this brand. So I've already gone through, and this is so perfect. Okay, this is perfect. So what you want to do is, you see you have the hair like this. You are going to use the rubber band and just wrap it around like this. So you see how I have it wrapped underneath, just like this. It's literally, it's not even wrapped all the way. You are going to stick your finger, gonna grab both of the rubber bands. And it might be easier if you use a scrunchie. I personally wanted to use the rubber band because I didn't want it to be bulky. But you are going to grab both sides, okay? Just like this, right? Now you're just gonna grab one and pull it through the other. That's it. That's all you do. Grab one and pull it through the other. So you're gonna essentially create a knot. Just like that. Super easy. Okay, so you're gonna wrap this around your ponytail, and you want to make sure the hair stays in front so you don't tangle it with your hair.
I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap.
Now you just secured your ponytail. Now you can flip this back. You are going to pull a piece of it out and pull it to the front. Now this piece that you're pulling to the front, this is the part that you are going to use to wrap around to camouflage all of this. So before we start braiding, that same pressing oil that we use, I'm gonna go in and add a little bit to the hair, because what you want to do is you want to bond the braiding hair and your hair together. And you also want it to be smooth, so run your fingers through it as you are braiding. If you're doing this ponytail, you should know how to braid. So we're just going through and we're braiding. Like I said, you're squeezing as tight as possible to make sure that braid is not bulky, but you also want to make sure that you are tucking your hair, okay? Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go in and kind of just fluff it out, or just kind of shape the braid. You want to go in and fluff it out and shape the braid. And this part right here, I am going to, of course, cut a little bit, but I'm going to curl it. So this is how the braid should look. Like I said, I'm no braider, but it looks good to me. And now the hair that we had slung across the top of our head, we are now going to wrap that. We are now going to wrap that around the ponytail, okay? I'm going to spray. So you will wrap it around. You want it to be flat, the same way you would like with a regular ponytail. I'm gonna go in with my Got to Be spray and just spray the ponytail. And this is just to seal in those flyaways.
things. I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stay. Just wanna say you're mine, you're mine.
All right, so I found this rod, thankfully. Found this rod. So all you need is a cup of hot water. You can't see the steam coming out this water, but it is extremely hot. And when you wrap, you want to twist the hair and wrap and wrap and wrap. Okay. Okay. So you're gonna dip it in the hot water, like this, like so. And I'm gonna just hold it in here. So I held it in there for about 20 seconds, and I'm gonna get a towel and just. All right, y'all. So this is the final look. I am very pleased with the outcome. Everything looks great. I don't know if I showed that part, but I basically just unraveled this off, and I just stretched it a little bit to just kind of give it some poof. But yeah, this is it. If you all like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your family and friends. Yeah, this is the perfect ponytail, y'all. It did not take long at all. Super easy, super convenient. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed it. Love y'all. Bye.